Hi everyone, today I'll be going over how to remove this door handle trim. But first, let's take a look at the piece we will be removing. As you can see, these plastic bits that stick out rest underneath these plastic bits that stick out. And at the bottom of the trim, there is a piece that hooks into this hole. Additionally, there is another hole at the bottom of the handle to help you get leverage on the trim piece. Now, knowing all this, we will need to lift up a little bit from the bottom to get the bottom hook out and slide down at the same time. And when you're ready to put the trim back on, we want to line up the trim bits slightly below the handle pieces. Then again, you pull up a bit at the bottom to get the hook over the lip and slide up at the same time. Now you are all done. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.